Do you know you can be making money, massive money on P2P trading section without being a merchant or without posting an ads? This is actually very possible. Just stay tuned. I'm going to show you everything right and here on this video. And before I jump into the video, please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification button, because I will be dropping updates like this for you guys every day anytime I see opportunity. And the reason why you need to subscribe to this channel is that opportunity like this does not last too long. It varies based on times and limits, and what you need to do is just to subscribe, so that anytime I go and see opportunity, I will quickly drop it for you guys. For some of you that have the capital to start, can actually benefit from it. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me dive to the video and take you through on how to make this money. It is actually very possible, so watch till the end. So first of all, what we need to do is we are just going to leverage on this USDT. We are going to buy USDT and see sell USDT on P2P marketplace, and I'm going to show you that very quick. These are merchants who buy at a very high rate based on the amount they are operating. And if I come to here, you will see another merchants who are very buying low, also based on the amount they are operating. You can see this one is buying this one is going to sell to you at the rate of 1,334 naira based on the amount he or she is using for the business. And if you come here, you see this guy is actually buying very high based on the amount he's also using for the business. So we are going to make use of this arbitrage. We are going to make use of this opportunity, and I'm going to show you right here on the video. So you guys are going to be wondering, how am I going to make money from this arbitrage right now, since I don't have up to this kind of amount? I'm going to show you what you need to do to make money right here, so stay tuned. So what we need to do right now is to buy from, keep looking and buy from merchants who is actually going to sell to you very cheap, and you are going to go to sell side and sell it very high. So you are not going to buy from one person here. What you need to do is you are going to pick one person and buy, and come to another person and buy. Just wait for the price to change, then you enter into it and you take advantage of it, because this price keeps fluctuating. It keeps fluctuating. Once you see a merchant, you just click on it, buy from the merchant, go to another one, buy from it, just buy it and keep, so that after buying it and keep, you now go and sell it and make your profit. Okay, if you are buying from this guy, if you buy everything from this guy, we are going to spend 30 345,302 naira 56 kobo, and the amount of USD we are going to have is 258.46 USDT. So we copy that down and we move to another merchant. We just buy, assuming we just buy from the guy, and we move to another merchant. You can see the price has changed now. There's no other merchant who are selling below as the guy. So we wait. What you need to do, you keep waiting for another merchant to appear, and you are going to do the same strategy. Mind you, this thing work very well. You can make up to 10,000, 15,000 every single day from this simple arbitrage I'm showing you. If you are going to be consistent, what you need to do is just be consistent. You make it. Okay, you can see the prices keep changing. Okay, let's keep waiting. So what you need to do in this life is just consistent. Once you are consistent, you will be able to achieve what you are looking for. Okay, there is no too quick way of making money. Okay, don't allow anybody to deceive you. There is no quick way of making money. Just for it by you determining and starting from the crash till you reach where the point you want. Okay, this guy is actually going to sell one USDT to you at the rate of 1,240 naira, and the limit is selling is 100,000 to 100,000, and we are going to buy everything from this guy right now. So if you are buying everything from this guy, you are going to pay this guy. You are going to pay this guy 100,000 naira. That's what you are going to pay, and the amount of USDT you are going to have is 80.64 USDT. So that is all we are going to buy. So before I take you to another step, we need to go to our calculator and calculate the total amount we have spent, that is our capital, and we need to know the total of USDT we have acquired that we have here. So what that is, those two things that we are going to put into consideration, so that we will know how much we are going to make, or how much we are going to make from this arbitrage. So let's go to our calculator and try this out. On my calculator here, the first merchant we bought USDT from, we bought 345,302 naira 0.56. That is, this is 345,302 naira 0.56 kobo. Then plus 100,000 plus 100,000. So everything we have spent so far, our total capital here is 445,302.56 kobo. That is what we have spent so far. And let's calculate the total USDT we have. We got 258.46 USDT at the rate of 345,302.56 naira. That is the first USDT we bought. Let's add it with the second one we bought for 100,000 naira, which was 80.64 USDT, and everything here is 339.1 USDT. So let's have that at the back of our mind. So, and we are going to go and sell this thing, sell it off, and see the potential profit we are going to make from this arbitrage. Once you are on your P2P, what you need to do after buying your USDT the way I'm showing you, then you come back and click on the sell side, navigate to where you see sell. Once you click on the sell side, what you need to do is to click on the amount. Just click on amount. It's your total amount of USDT. Let's insert 339.1 USDT. Let's click on enter. Okay, can you see that there's a merchant? So there are merchants, not even one, there are plenty merchants who wants to buy your USDT at this rate. So what we need to do is to click on sell here, and we are going to sell to this guy and see their potential profit we are going to make. So our total USDT is 339 USDT, 339.1 USDT is going to give us 452,918 naira. Let's forget about the kobo. So this is what we are going to have. Then let's go to our calculator and see how much we have been able to make from this arbitrage. Looking into my calculator right now, you can see I've done the calculation and everything. Our initial capital, that is our capital we use for the buying of USDT from different merchants, everything altogether was 445,302.56. Then we were able to sell it to merchants at this price here, 452,915 naira. Is it 15 naira or 18? It's 18, so there's no difference there, but let's just assume that way. So our profit here is, our total profit here after removing the capital we use for this arbitrage here, our total profit here is 7,612 naira. So if you can do this times, let me say 5 times in a day, let's say 7,612 naira times 5 times, you can see you make 38,000 naira in a day without posting any ads. This is just free, guys. This this is just based on timing. If you want to make money, you need to time, you need to be consistent. So I just do this based on timing. I was just sitting here, this thing didn't take me up to 20 minutes. I'm sitting here, I'm been making use of different in price. Once I see a merchant that is selling very very low, I just quickly click on the merchant before another person take advantage of that. Then once I click on the merchant, I will now send the merchant money, and the merchant will now send me USDT at a very low rate. Then after buying from the person, I will now go to another person and buy from another person. Then I will now go and sell it to merchants who are going to buy at a high price. But mind you, this kind of arbitrage needs like from 400 to 500,000 naira before you will be able to benefit very very much from it. So that is just it. You can see. So everything, see, let me just tell you one thing. You cannot expect to make money so easily. You need to work hard for it. You need to be consistent. If I wasn't consistent, I wouldn't have been seeing merchants who are going to sell to me at a very low rate. So because I was consistent, I was also monitoring the market. So immediately I see merchant, I just put it out and I make this to show you guys, so you guys can actually see it for yourself. So be consistent. That is my advice to every one of you. There is no quick way of making money. Don't allow anybody to tell you there's quick way of making money. There's no quick way of making money. You actually need to work hard. Okay, so if you like this kind of content, please do well to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification button, because you will be receiving updates like this anytime I post. Okay, thank you.